Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nomaisara binti Mazlan. I am from University Science Malaysia. My matric number is 138718 and I am from group 17 LSP 402. My talk today is going to be related with food. Do you know what is this? It is gelatin. Have you ever heard about it? Is it halal to be consumed or not? What is halal? Okay, so let us know the details together. What is halal? Halal is an Arabic term, means lawful or permitted. It means that food should free from any components that Muslims are prohibited from consuming, and the equipment and also processing should free from any contaminants, and it is in hygiene condition. In Malaysia, in order to know that food is able to be consumed, it needs to have halal certificate. Halal certificate is a document that guarantee food is able to be consumed because it meets the requirement needed in Islamic law. Halal doesn't mean that it's only free from pig and blood. Those are some things that Muslims cannot consume. It means that starting from ingredient towards the processing, equipment and transportation until the food product is on the shelf of store, those are free from any contaminants that might risk anyone. So food ingredients like flavorers, emulsifiers, thickeners, and stabilizer are questionable because we doesn't know the origins of the ingredients. They might misuse the ingredient by adding it some things that Muslim cannot be consumed. So we must doubtful. As a consumer, we must doubtful with it. Okay, we already know the terms of halal, but then what is gelatin? Okay, gelatin is a protein product that derived from pig skin, cattle hide, cattle bone, and also fish skin. Gelatin usually used in desserts, confectionery, gravies, and also sweets. In those food products, it acts as emulsifiers, stabilizers, and thickener. There are two types of gelatin, which is type A and the type B gelatin. The type A gelatin is derived from pig skin and the type B gelatin is derived from a cattle. So, the type A gelatin is doubtful, questionable because of its sources, which is pig. It's something that Muslims cannot consume. But in packaging, the type of gelatin is not stated. So how do we know? Does gelatin that used in food is pig skin derived or cattle skin derived? So that is the function of halal certificates. Means that the halal certificates is the Jabatan Kemajuan Islam Malaysia, which is JAKIM, will conduct a thorough inspection in order to get the halal certificates. Means that if a manufacturer already have halal certificates, but then if a JAKIM make an inspection and they see some thing are questionable in the something questionable or contaminants in the food processing or ingredient, then the halal certificates might be taken back. And however, gelatin can be placed with something else, which is fish skin, kappa carrageenan, and galen gum. There is difference between fish skin and kappa carrageenan, which is the hydroxyl proline content and also amino acid content, which is it makes that the fish gelatin are low in gelling and longer time needed to be melting compared to the mammalian one. The gelling process will take more time compared to mammalian one, and the amount needed of fish gelatin is higher compared to mammalian in order to get the same viscosity in the food product. So, the galen gum is derived from a bacteria which is Sphingomonas elodea, and the kappa carrageenan is derived from a red edible seaweed. It means that both are plant-based gelatin, and it can be an alternative for a vegetarian people. And also, as a Muslim, as a consumer and a Muslim, we should know what we eat, and we must concern with our food product. What is the ingredient being used? Is it halal or not? Is it going a hygiene process or not? So, halal certificates is actually something that beneficial for Muslim and non-Muslim actually, because it is cannot be questionable. So that's all. Thank you.